In front of me is OPPO A53, and let me show you how to set up the default browser on the following device. So at first you need to reach the settings, then find and select something with apps. Okay, so here we've got app management, and now click on default app. Click on browser app, and here once you have any other browser installed, you will be able to smoothly change it by tapping like this. And the browser that is marked with this fulfilled with, in my case, green color circle is the default one. And here you will be able to check it. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can set up default browser in your OPPO A53. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.